Hey there, want to walk you through exactly how to find search terms in your Google Ads campaigns. So let's just go straight into it. You got to make sure you're logged into Google Ads, of course. And then you go over to Insights and Reports and Search Terms. Where a lot of people go wrong is they say, oh, this says keywords. Let me click on that. No, you go here and you go to Search Terms. Now, what are search terms? Search terms are the exact query that someone searched for to find your ad. The exact search query. This is about the most important thing when it comes to Google Ads that you could possibly have. Why is that? If someone searches for the wrong thing that is irrelevant to your business, it doesn't matter how good your ad copy is. It doesn't matter how good your ad headlines are. It doesn't matter how amazing your landing page is. It doesn't matter anything, because if they search for the wrong thing, then it doesn't matter. And so this is a drywall contractor that we do work for, and you can see every single search term is dialed in. Drywall repair near me. They do popcorn ceiling removal as well. Drywall repair Portland. Sheetrock repair near me. Drywall repair Beaverton, a suburb near me. Drywall repairs near me. We've seen campaigns that have absolutely atrocious search terms. So again, start with your, at the beginning, go over here to Insights and Reports and Search Terms. And there's no way your campaign can hide performance um, without looking at this. If you're getting bad leads, no leads, spending a lot of money and not seeing performance, this is absolutely the place that you should start. If you're bidding on competitor keywords, your own business name, meaning like, you're a drywall company and your competitor's name is Billy Bob's Drywall. If you're spending a bunch of money on Billy Bob's Drywall, that's actually not a good thing. And here's why. If someone is searching for Billy Bob's Drywall, they already know that Billy Bob's Drywall exists. If they click on your ad because you're trying to get them to switch from Billy Bob's Drywall to your business, that is highly unlikely because they're searching for that business. Think about yourself. If you were searching for, Papa John's Pizza and you accidentally click on Domino's ads, you would have just searched from Domino's to begin with if you wanted Domino's. So you clicked on their ad, you realized, I clicked on the wrong thing or I called the wrong business, and you're not going to move forward. And so these must be search terms, should really be non-branded keywords. They're not searching for your business name. They're not searching for one of your competitors' business names. And it's bottom of funnel, not how to repair drywall, because that person's looking about how to repair it themselves. And if they find your business, if they needed a drywall contractor, they would search for drywall contractor. They wouldn't search for how to do it or how much does it cost necessarily. These are the types of search terms that are going to get you dramatic results, which are people clicking and then reaching out and actually booking consultations with you, booking real revenue